Welcome to my channel everybody, it's me Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. This video is on Roblox and it's on how you guys can sign up for Roblox. For those people who do not know Roblox, before signing up, let me tell you guys what Roblox is. Roblox is an online game, or you can even play it offline. It has multiple, multiplayer feature and modes in it as well. And you guys can buy stuffs in Roblox to play for it as well. So basically it's like a game. If you're above 8 or 6, you can play this game. So let me tell you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before I tell you guys how you guys can log in into it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And the information I just gave you about Roblox is just a small information. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. Let's get right into the video. Basically what you want to do is you want to go to the website called roblox.com. By going to your search engine, search for roblox.com like this. After you search for roblox.com, it's going to take you to the official website of Roblox. Once you're over here, it's basically on the sign up page. Now once you're over here, you want to sign up basically by entering your birthday, your username and your passport and choosing your gender. After filling up this form, you want to click on sign up and basically you will be able to sign up into Roblox. It's that simple. Just choose your date of birth and your username and your passport and your gender and click on sign up. You're good to go and you're a part of Roblox. Or in another word, you just created yourself a Roblox account. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can sign up into Roblox. If you guys did, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.